What's up, guys? Nizo here. A little something for the JL Audio fanboys. JL Audio VX800-8i. Currently JL Audio's flagship amplifier, 8-channel with built-in DSP. Let's unbox it, check it out. Okay. There's this little box and envelope. Not too sure. Okay, let's have a look and see what it is, just in case it's, I don't think it's money. Stickers and okay, manual stickers, not important things right now. Okay, in this little box we've got, okay, that's your PC connection. Well, that's all your plugs. What's cool about these amplifiers is everything's a plug-in. That's your RCA inputs. Okay, that's if you're using RCA from the head unit, and then I take it this is if you're using like high-level inputs. JL Audio badge, mounting hardware. That's your power plug. It's like the HD amplifiers. Actually, I always loved this. I lie. I didn't like it when I first saw it, and then it grew on me because it makes installation so much easier. You connect your power earth remote, and then you could plug it in and plug it out. You don't ever have to worry about, hey, the wires are gonna touch, I've got to insulate it, or you know, those kind of things when you're using it. That's your mounting hardware. I saw a badge here. Yeah, that tells a nice little badge. That automatically tells me that the amplifier doesn't have it, and they give it to you separately. Location with some installation hardware. Still no amplifier. Let's see. There we go. Okay, see, amplifier, that badge goes there. Quite small for a 8-channel amplifier. Okay, there's a note on it. This amplifier requires the latest version of tune for proper connectivity and access to the newest features. So, okay, closer look at the amplifier. That's the inputs I was telling you about. All the comms, USB, digital input. That's nice. Speaker outputs, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, that's your 8 channels. Analog audio inputs. That's those other plugs that I was showing you. This looks to be a bit smaller than the HD 4-channel amplifier. It's the JL Audio logo. I'm sure it's got all the stacking bits that the HD also has. But I see a lot of the HD architecture borrowed here, or cosmetics, should I say. Really nifty amplifier. Cost a small fortune. But anyway, it is what it is. We're gonna play with it. This is going into a really special build. It'll be out next year sometime. Really nice JL Audio build. W6 woofers, possibly C7 3-way splits. This year's to run the C7 splits. Channel 1 and 2 might be bridged by 1 and 2, 3 and 4 on the mid bass, and then the rest mid and tweeter, or we might use rear full. We'll get to that when we get to the build. We still need to source a matching amplifier for the subwoofer. JL Audio 12W6, really special car. We'll get to that. So I'm not going to be listening to this anytime soon, but if and when I do get a chance to, I'll keep you guys updated with how it went. Thanks for watching.